Hey friends, we are hanging out in the Sprinter van today. Come on in. Now we're back home today here in Colorado, and we're doing a bit of work on the van, getting it prepped for our next trip. So where are we headed next? Vail, Colorado. It's still snowboard season. We're gonna get some last lines in here before spring and summer hit. But obviously going up into the mountains at this time of the year, we are really gonna be struggling with the cold. Temperatures can reach well below zero in some of these mountain towns, and having heat and retaining heat inside your van is super critical. Now, our Sprinter van conversion is simple but super functional. We've really enjoyed having these really big windows to view all of the beauty that's around us when we camp. But all these windows offer escape points for heat, especially during the winter. Now, if you've watched any of our other Sprinter van videos, you know that we are a big fan of really nice window coverings to help with that heat retention. But what happens when you have a really custom piece like this window back here right above our loft bed? Things like that are very hard to find. What you have to do is go custom. So we reached out to our friends at Quest Overland. Now you'll find Quest Overland using a link in our description box below. In fact, we'll put a discount code down there for you. But they were able to create some really cool custom window coverings for us. As you can see, they have these really nice straps on them for easy storage. We're just gonna unbuckle these. And now with this unfolded, we can actually install it in just a couple seconds. Watch how quickly these go up. There you go. You've got privacy, you've got heat retention. These things are amazing. Now, a couple things that set Quest Overland apart is the quality of their shades. Obviously, these are hand designed and made. You have a really nice insulated thermal panel in each of these layers. And then as you can see, we have a really strong magnet that holds these up, even with our original plastic. As you can see with the rear panels in place, we are now starting to turn this space into a really great bedroom suite. In fact, we have some rear window covers also by Quest Overland. When those are in place, we've got a really nice dark area for us to get rest, privacy, and again, that heat retention that allows us to do winter trips. So let's talk about one more bit of customization that Quest Overland really excels at. Now again, we're in the passenger van that's been converted. So we have these big windows that are up front, the passenger windows, and then right in the middle here, we have this original plastic siding that we haven't converted yet into full paneling with the wood. So putting windows on this can be a real pain. But if you have plastic siding like us, order the upgraded magnets. These things adhere to that original plastic and will stay in place all night and even while you're driving. Like most of the other window coverings we've showed you, these things slide into place in literally seconds. They're super strong and they're gonna hold up even while you're driving. So there you go, friends. Customization. It's been super important for our little build here. We really love these window coverings. It's been one of our favorite additions to the Sprinter van. Quest Overland, again, has been generous enough to offer you guys a discount code. You can find that down in the description box below. Feel free to use that code. Hope you love them as much as we have. Stay tuned. We'll see you again on the next one.